job. How we doing so far?
Good.
Pretty easy?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Last one. There we go. Good. How's that feel so far? Feels good, huh? Yeah. This is your L4, L5 region. We're going to get as close to it as possible. I'm going to give you a little bump. Okay, one. Easy one. There we go. Good. Okay. How'd that feel?
Very good.
Okay, I'm going to have you stand up and land. You try bending forward, touching your toes.
Oh, yeah.
Easier?
Yeah.
Okay, man.
Not